or go discuss about your aim in life in future. Let's start.
Okay. At first, I want to say that aimless life and devoteeless God is equal. If one had no aim in his life, then his life is useless. Every everybody and every man, or it would be specific. If I say every human should have a aim in his life. An aim makes a human's life much better than a normal people's. An aim takes the man towards the upstairs of sign in future what he want to be. So everybody should have an aim. Setting short-term and long-term goals. Anybody can achieve his aim in life. At first, they should start with their short-term goals, and then after achieving long-term goals, they can achieve their aim. My name is Orgomodal. I also have an aim in my life. My short-term goal is to achieve good numbers in my first board exam, and then I will be able to sit in the JEE exams. After passing those exams, I will be able to be select in IIT. After selecting in IIT and completing the
Degrees.
all degrees, I want to be an engineer. Then, with my ability, I want to help all the poor peoples in our country, and all the people, and by helping all the peoples, I want to achieve my aim.